there's that kind of constant challenge of balancing your kind of ministry and then also your study. But more often than not, they did, even kind of maybe ways I could look back on afterwards, kind of complement each other and stimulate my kind of what I was doing in ministry. My name's Sean Brennan. I live in Edinburgh and I did the MA in Theology with the Alexandrian Institute. So I decided to kind of get involved with this program because I was wanting to have a kind of more rigorous backbone to my kind of theological thinking, and especially for pastoral ministry going forwards. So it worked so well with kind of having done Cornhill, and then they had the pastor's training course which dovetailed with this master's degree. So it was all going to be applied as well as being academically challenging and rigorous, which is, yeah, very attractive to me. So my kind of dissertation topic about kind of engaging with kind of culture and what sanctification then looks like in relationship to culture, the growth as a Christian. I think that was kind of spurred on by just seeing Christians kind of being confronted by culture and the kind of how it often feels like otherworldly to you and challenging to your faith, and being quite convinced that if all of creation is God's, and if culture is something that He wants us to participate in, then I think giving us license to engage with it and allowing Christ to shape all of that is just quite an exciting idea. And I think it opens up a lot of doors for Christians who may think that the default answer as a Christian would be like, well, I shouldn't do this or I shouldn't go there, when actually the answer might be quite different. It might, no, you can be there, but be in that context as a believer, being distinct from the world, being distinct from others, but being fully emerged in it to make a difference for it. So I think that pastorally that's quite helpful when you come across people who are in difficult context or feel like they are too isolated, or the things they're engaged with are not necessarily evil but not Christian and kind of separate from their Christian faith. But I guess trying to show them that we kind of bring the aroma and the presence of Christ through His Spirit wherever we go. If I'm talking to others about this program, and one of my friends that just started it, I was trying to encourage them to think about the thinking seriously and having a proper. I guess it's different to a seminary experience, but I wanted to make sure that he knew that there's a possibility of combining kind of training in the context of a local church, and also getting into important topics and deep reading and conversations with others about serious things theologically, and not trying to kind of post through that, but to have something that's really going to challenge and form you. So I say that's what this program has done for me. It was stretching, absolutely. So yeah, I think it's worth the squeeze. It's worth the challenge, but I think it's kind of given like those foundations for the future, which I think for ministry you kind of need to start off with strong foundations for sure.